Show your girlfriends some love. A Galentine's dinner is only for the girls, and this menu will make them feel loved and appreciated. My next guest says these recipes are exactly what you need to set the table. Our friend Alex Daynes is laying out the full Galentine's menu. Alex, come on.
Yes.
You know what I love about this is you're using the term girl dinner.
Girl dinner.
And I love it because we're in the singing mood.
We are.
We have little Destiny's Child, Taylor Swift, Alex Daynes.
We're here.
All in there. Define the term girl dinner, because I'm into this.
I love it. So the term itself, girl dinner, has started trending online, but truthfully, a girl dinner it's all about the girls, so there's no protein in sight. This is the meal that you're gonna reach for when your husband's working late, your kids are gone, and you want something easy, quick, buttery, and full of carbs.
Okay, well, I mean, need we say more? Girl
Yes.
dinner?
Girl dinner.
We love this, girl dinner. And of course, in a girl dinner, we need comfort carbs. Comfort carbs. So first you're gonna start us off with an elevated buttered noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
let's talk about that.
we can, I mean, and you can just cook noodles and add butter to them, which is totally fine.
Yep.
But if you want to take it to the next step, but still have the simplicity of it, this guy is your winner. It's so easy. So we actually do it all in one pot. There's no like extra boiling required. So I started off on my stovetop with a little oil and fresh garlic.
Okay.
Toast that until the garlic is nice and flavorful, and then I actually add in the dry noodles, and you gotta get a close-up of these noodles, because look how cute. Barilla has heart-shaped for our girls. We love them. So cute. So you actually throw any small noodle right into your pot with some chicken broth, and we just cook it.
Instead of water.
Instead of water. So there's your protein. You can grab some bone broth, girlies. I got you, I got you. But throw that on and let it simmer in a shallow dish like this, and it's gonna cook up like that. Like we're talking 8 minutes or so.
And the smell.
And it smells so, so good. To this, so what you're looking for is you're actually waiting for your chicken broth to all evaporate out.
Oh.
And then we add in our flavoring. So we've got our butter here. We've got 3 tablespoons of salted butter that we just drop right in there.
So even though it's not all evaporated out, is that magic for TV?
This is TV magic. TV magic.
So you would wait a little longer.
Give this 2 more minutes at home, and you'll be golden, golden. So once all that liquid is out, you're gonna throw in your butter. You're gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy cream.
Just a fourth.
Just a fourth. Just a little. Just a little. And then, you know, a generous 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give that a stir.
I'm so into this.
It's so good. And as that butter melts and that cheese melts, it's just gonna coat those noodles.
And come together.
And it is so delicious. It's so easy. We're gonna hit it with a little salt, pepper, and then if you wanna make it fancy like we all do, you know how we do on Studio 5, we grab some fresh parsley and we give it a hit. And look at that. Like that is like an elevated, gorgeous pasta dish, but it's buttered noodles.
I'm just like big sigh. Like I cannot wait to eat this during the commercials.
I know.
You need to make this at home.
It's gonna come together so beautifully and taste amazing.
It smells so good. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of sweetness. With a kiss.
Yes, sweet meets savory. So you know we love, you know I love my non-bites. I buy these all the time.
So good.
They're at Costco, they're at Smith's, they're all over, and you know I love my Boursin cheese.
You do.
So we're gonna spread that on here. These are just gonna be like your little appetizer, your little snack. You could even just pop a couple of these while you're making your butter noodles. So easy, so good.
We're gonna make sure you have snacks.
We're gonna make sure. This is what girl dinner's all about. It's about cheese, carbs, and a good time. Like,
because what else do we need in life?
So easy. So sweet meets savory with this guy. So I just grabbed some raspberry preserves. And I know it sounds weird because this is like a little garlic flavor.
I'm saying, are you?
It works. It works. Sweet meets savory here. And I love to give this a little kiss with my spoon and actually make a little heart.
Okay, so this is where the kiss is
This is the kiss. So we're literally kissing on our jam right here on the center. And, you know, it's easier to do at home.
It's easier when there's not a camera.
There's not a camera in your face, but you can kind of doll this up and make it into a little heart shape if you jimmy rig it like that.
Yes.
You don't have to do the heart, and then it's just like a delicious bite. If you don't want to do them individually like this, you could also just press it into a dish, do your big heart, and then dip your naan in there.
Little dip, little
dip,
so
little
this
of
is like
this,
a
little
cheese
of that.
ball, but a little bit elevated and yummy.
And it has that sweet hit. You could even hit that with a little hot honey on top with a drizzle. Bring in the sweet, savory, and heat, and you have everything the girly pops love.
I don't think I've said anything in this segment, but
And
yep,
period.
deliciousness. Okay, dates.
Dates. Have you started the date kick?
No.
Are you on the date train?
No. Are we all on the date train?
Everybody
Did
get on
I
the
miss
date.
the train?
You did.
Okay,
You did.
all
Everybody
right.
get on the date train
All
right now.
aboard. Here I come.
All aboard. Because these look like the most unappetizing thing you would ever put in your body.
I don't want
right
to do
here.
this.
You don't want a date. But you're gonna love them because they're caramely, they're chewy, they're sticky, they're heavenly.
All
And
right.
everybody needs to love dates.
Here we go.
So good. So I'm gonna hit them with some almond butter. This is a date bark. So you can also do date bites or date bark. So easy. So you press your dates down onto a parchment sheet. You can even roll a rolling pin over this to kind of flatten them out. We're essentially making a candy bar here, like a little bark candy bar. So roll out your dates, as many as you like. You know, this could be a single serve, this could be a 4-serve, whatever you're feeling. Don't let me tell you how to live your life.
No, you let the dates tell you.
You let the dates.
You let the dates tell you. So a little almond butter.
Little almond butter, we're gonna spread that all over, make sure it's all nice and evenly coated. And then we're gonna hit it with our chocolate. So melted chocolate, milk, semi-sweet, dark, you do you, I'll do me. This is milk. We're gonna pour that on.
Friends. I'm a milk girly too.
Right? Generous pour. I know, this looks like the weirdest thing you've ever probably seen me do. But I promise, stay with me, stay with me. So good. So spread that on. This is our chocolate candy bar effect. Woo! Because it's Galentine's and we're doing it for the girls, I grabbed some cutesy pink M&Ms. You don't have to. You could stop here. You could do flaky sea salt. You could just leave it alone.
Flaky sea salt.
So good. Then you're gonna pop this in your fridge or freezer, depending on how quick you wanna eat it. We're just looking for that chocolate to set. You wanna make sure you lock in the almond butter. And then you get this bark over here. I gotta show you.
Oh,
so delicious. You cut it like a candy bar, so you have all your layers here. You've got your caramel, you've got your dates, you got your almond butter.
Fall apart.
Falls apart. I know. You can take a TV bite if you're feeling brave. I will keep talking, but it is seriously so good. So you can do it like this in a bark form, or you can do just an individual date and stuff it and drizzle it on. But don't knock it till you try it, because it is like caramel heaven.
While I eat this, tell us about a Dirty Shirley.
We're gonna give you something to sip on.
Give me a Dirty Shirley.
We're in Utah here, so we have to make our soda pop. And I'm doing a Shirley Temple, and I'm making it a Utah dirty. That's how we define dirty here.
While you're doing this, I'm having a moment.
You should. I told you.
It's so good.
You're gonna die. It's so good. So Dirty Shirley, just Shirley Temple traditional. We've got our Sprite that we're gonna hit in our glass. I just poured that in the wrong one because this one has the ice.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we are.
You can buy the grenadine syrup at any location.
Okay.
Hit it with about a tablespoon. And then here's where we give Shirley her dirty edge. We grab the vanilla cream.
This is the only time you'll hear us say this on Studio 5.
That's the only time.
Here we go.
Give it a tablespoon or so.
I mean,
it's like an Italian soda.
It is. It's. Oh, we need to put one of these in there?
Please do.
While I taste this as well, and I have my girl dinner, tell us where we can find you online.
You can connect with me anywhere you can find my name. So Alex Daynes, the Alex Daynes on Instagram, and alexdaynes.com.
I like that in there.
Yeah.
That's so yummy. Okay, bonus,
So
we've made this extra easy for all of you because this Darling Galentine's dinner menu, it's actually available as a free printable on our website.
Perfect.
Just head to studio5.ksl.com, click on Alex's segment and print it out because it doubles as the cutest decor for your table as well. You did all the heavy lifting for us today.
I did.
Cheers to you. Cheers to
I got your back.
dates.
Galentine should be easy and delicious, and that's all it's gonna be.
So fun. Alex Daynes on Instagram.
Yep.
Fun follow. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you.